Cable. Connector 1. SMA male. Connector 2. SMA female. Cable length. 30 cm, 12. Impedance. 50 ohm. Cable type. RG316. Greater than 1000 times mating lifetime. Adapter. Include SMA male to male 1, SMA female to female 1, SMA female to SMA male 1, SMA female to RPSMA male 1, SMA male to RPSMA female 1. This RF coaxial cable kit addresses all your SMA needs, whether it's SMA male to SMA male or SMA to RPSMA. By using the adapter, you can turn the product into any SMA cable you need. Never worry about any security problems. We are confident in the quality of our cable and willing to provide 1 month's replacement warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you unfortunately get a defective one, please contact our customer support. Top reviews from the United States. Work on my new HT radio. The cables and adapters are made well. They connect my coax to my HT radio. They do what I needed and I have spares to work with my other devices. Nice SMA patch cable. These 12 SMA coax cables are perfect for relocating a Bluetooth antenna when the antenna sticking out of a chassis needs to be relocated. It comes with enough adapter fittings to match almost any configuration. It is also nicely made with nice brass fittings.